Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2015. Here they have given few lines of code. Please pause the video and go through it. And they are asking for the number of times the printf statement is executed. They are asking. You know, every C program will start executing from main method. And the immediate statement they have given is they have declared some integer variables I, j and k with some initialized value as 0. The next statement is they have given some expression 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 plus 2.0 by 5 plus 8 by 5 they have given. You know, in C program or any programming language, every expression is going to execute based upon the priority of operators. Okay, based upon this expression, the multiplication and division having same priority and addition comma subtraction having same priority, but among these two, first priority goes to multiplication and division, second priority goes to addition and subtraction. Whenever you encountered both operators in an expression, the associated is from left to right. For this also associated from left to right. Okay, now this expression is there. The highest priority operators are multiplication, division, division, division. I'm having four highest priority with equal precedence operators. So I will start executing from left to right. So first I will perform 2 into 3, 6, 6 by 4. You will get, I'm writing once again so that it will be clear for you. 6 by 4 is 1. You have to know the difference between division and modular division. Modular division is going to give remainder and division operator is going to give coefficient. 1 plus then 2.0 by 5 plus 8 by 5. 2.0 by 5 means you will get 0 plus 8 by 5 means you will get 1. Now all are addition operators, so left to right associative, so you will get the value 2. That value 2 is going to copy into the variable j, that is 2. Next, k minus equal to minus minus j. This expression I can write like k equal to k minus 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 j I can write. Pre-decrement. Pre-decrement means j value will be decremented by 1. So you will get here value 1. What is the k value now? 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. That minus 1 is copied to the variable k. Copied to the variable now. Okay. So k value is minus 1, j value is 1. Now they have initialized one for loop with a value I value as 0. Now we need to iterate this loop until I less than 5. Now 0 less than 5, yes, condition is true, so it will go to the switch statement. Switch statement here, switch off I plus k. I value is 0, 0 minus 1, 0 plus minus 1 is minus 1. Here you will get minus 1. So it will go to the loop and it's going to check match minus 1 match with 1, no, minus 1 to match with 2, no, minus 1 match with 3, no. Then it is going to execute the default statement I plus k. I mean, here they are asking for the number of times printf statement is executed. That's it. So I no need to perform what it is going to print. I am going to count, just make it as 1. So one time is printed. Now cursor will goes to once again for loop. Now I value will be incremented by 1. Is 1 less than 5? Yes. Control will goes to switch statement. I value is 1. 1 plus k value is minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 is 0. 0 with 0 match with anyone? No. So default statement is going to execute. So print value will be incremented by 1, that is 2. Now for loop once again. I value now 2. 2 less than 5? Yes. Now switch off I plus k. I value is 2. I value is 2. 2 minus 1, that is plus 1. It is plus 1. So 1 match with 1. 1 match with 1. Now there is no print statement here. There is no print statement here. Even though there is no print statement here, it is going to print this all this statement. Why? Because here the important point is in switch case, they didn't mention any break statement anywhere. If they didn't mention any break statement, it is going to execute continuously everything. It won't check. Okay. So case 1 it is executed, that is no print statement. So then immediate next statement 1, 2, 3. So 3 times print statement executes. So total 5. Fine. Now once again it is going to execute. Now I value will be incremented by 3. 3 less than 5. Condition true. Now I value is 3 minus 1. That is 2. That is 2. So case 2 is going to execute. Printf. One time printed. So incremented by 1, that is 6. Now there is no break. So these two also printed. So that is 6 plus 2, 8. Now once again go for I value incremented by 1, that is 4 less than 5. Yes. Now I plus k. What is 4 minus 1? That is 3. Now from case 3 it is going to execute. Case 3 executed, no break, so it is going to execute default also. That is 10. Now I value incremented by 1, that is 5. 5 less than 5, condition fail. This loop condition and it will exit from the block. And the number of times the statement is printed is 10 times the print statements are printed. I hope you understood very clearly. Here the important point is they didn't mention any break statement here. If they didn't mention any break statement, it will continuously execute all the next statements. If you know that point, it will be easy for you to solve this question. Thank you.